Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Within channel. So friends, today I will talk about iiyama G Master GB2795HSU Gold Phoenix 280Hz gaming monitor. So friend, iiyama is proud to unveil the 27-inch G Master Gold Phoenix, a high-performance gaming monitor specifically designed for esports enthusiasts and professional gamers and designed to give competitive players to edge they need is the most intensive gaming environment, and the monitor offer an impressive 280 Hz refresh rate and zero point 0.2 millisecond response time, and making it one of the fastest monitor in the G Master portfolio. And the 27-inch panel delivers crisp and vibrant visual, ensuring every frame in display with clarity. And while the FreeSync Premium technology eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, and whether is fast-paced FPS title and strategic gamers requiring precise timing, and the GB2795HSU ensure fluid, uninterrupted gameplay and making it perfect for choice is serious about esports, and pro gamers know the split-second decision can determine the outcome of the match. And the GB2795HSU at 280 Hz refresh rate ensure they never miss a beat, while the low input latency guarantee instant responsiveness of every command for those playing in dark environment. And the black corner feature enhance shadow areas and giving players the advantage of spotting enemies or important details sooner. And apart from the giving gamers and competitive edge with its performance, this monitor has an ergonomic design with 150 height adjustable stand for comfortable during long hours of gaming. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.